If you've ever tried to gently lower the tailgate on a Ford F-150, you probably know the struggle. The whole thing just drops like a rock the moment you unlatch it, unless you wrestle it down like a pro wrestler with a steel chair. That's where a tailgate assist comes in. This clever little shock absorber takes all the drama out of tailgate drops. You unhook the latch, and like magic, the heavy slab floats down. No more risking your shins or the neighbor kid's fingers. I'll walk you through the install, and you won't need to be some sort of gearhead. I'm basically useless when it comes to power tools, but even I knocked this out, with time to spare to contemplate why engineers don't just add these from the factory. First things first, open up the tailgate. Clear out all your gear, whether it's garden mulch, 2x4s, or a single lonely bungee cord you've been meaning to remove for like 3 months. You need space to work, trust me. You'll see a cable holding the tailgate up on each side. The assist installs on just one side, usually the driver's, so you only need to focus there. This is a $35 fix that will make you feel like you just bought a new truck. Unclip the cable from the tailgate by lifting it off the metal post. Usually you can do this with just your fingers, but sometimes you'll want a flathead screwdriver to pop the retaining tab. One snap, and the cable is free. Now grab the supplied mounting plate from your kit, which almost always uses the same post the cable sits on. Tighten it down. If your kit came with a special bolt, use that. Manufacturers don't just throw in extra bolts for fun. Here's the part everyone dreads: mounting the shock. Honestly, it just clips in place. High impact value for about 40 seconds of real work. Line up the ball stud, press the shock on until it clicks, and you're halfway done already. Slip the cable back onto its post, right over the new mounting plate. Snap the retaining tab back down, and make sure everything is seated. If you're anything like me, you'll worry it's not tight enough. That's what torque wrenches were made for. Now, check the lower mounting point. Some kits use an existing hole, others want you to drill. My least favorite part. Go slow and use masking tape to keep the drill bit from wandering. Pro tip, this saves your paint and your sanity. Once the bottom's ready, simply attach the shock's lower end to the anchor. Double check. Shock is vertical, cable isn't twisted, and nothing binds. Swing the tailgate up and down a few times and savor the slow, controlled float you just achieved for $30. That's as complicated as it gets. Seriously. The pain point here isn't the install, it's realizing you didn't do this sooner. The real-world improvement is crazy. 90% less risk of slamming, and about 70% more compliments from passengers who thought trucks couldn't be civilized. So if you're on the fence, here's my answer. Tailgate Assist is one of those under $50 improvements that feels like cheating. You'll save your tailgate and maybe even your pride. I'm Scott in Portland, and it's strangely satisfying every single time.